In stats and research, you'll often hear the terms null and alternate hypothesis tossed around, but what do they mean? And what's the difference? Let's talk about it. Well, in a study, the null hypothesis is the default assumption, and it can also be thought of as no change. It's the opposite of the alternate hypothesis, which you can view as the one you're actually testing. In stats and research, you're working to find evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Now let's look at an example. I hypothesize that eating cake will enhance mood. If I want to study and find evidence for this statement, I will make two hypotheses. My null hypothesis would say something like eating cake makes no difference in mood, or eating cake does not enhance mood. And my alternate hypothesis says eating cake enhances mood. Let's say you're measuring this by difference in mood from before and after eating cake on a scale of 1 to 10. My null hypothesis says there will be no difference, so I can write it as the average equals 0. And since my alternate hypothesis expects difference, it can be written as the average is greater than 0. Let's look at another example. The average human body temperature in Fahrenheit is 98.6. However, you believe this is not true. In this case, the null hypothesis would be that the average is 98.6, and the alternate is that the average does not equal 98.6. And that is null and alternate hypothesis. Hope this helps.